brother, let's go down, come on down. Oh brother, let's go down, down to the river.
Me, you! Go and come back with your husband or...
I'm Michael.
I'm Juliana.
And we're from the Great Globe Foundation.
Great Globe Foundation is partnering with FilmAid in the Dadaab Theater Project. This project is aiming at recruiting 10 youth representing different nationalities within the Ifo Camp in Dadaab, who are supposed to be going through a 5-month training on theater and arts.
And this is an opportunity for the voices of Dadaab, especially the youth, to be heard around the world. So our organization essentially connects youth through art. And we're focusing a lot on theater, traditional song, traditional dance, and story.
Leo niko free, kwa hivyo lazima ni celebrate kama birthday au sio. Niko free, watu wangu niko free, niko kwa freedom.
We had some auditions yesterday and today, and they were quite fun.
Chaotic.
It was chaos and brilliant and beautiful. We had a lot of different people come and show up. Somali Bantu, Sudanese, Ethiopian, from Gambela.
Yeah.
And we saw a wide range of people. The most important thing we were looking for, I mean, yes, we were looking for skill, some capacity and talent, but we were also really looking for heart, someone who has an open heart, because we believe that we can work and train with just about anyone who is enthusiastic.
I have two talents that I am practicing on. One is music, singing, and the other one is dancing. Yeah, I have confidence that I will do my best, and always I'm not here to win, but I'm here to show what I have.
Now you want me to beat you right now?
No, I don't want to be beaten.
Why? Why you did this all to me?
We're going to have 9 actors from very diverse communities, so Ethiopian, Sudan, Somali Bantu, and then we're going to have 1 writer. And we're going to train with those people, as Juliana said, and it's very important for us to have the most diverse group possible, the most diverse possibility for a representation, a true representation of Ifo Camp, because Ifo is the most diverse camp in Dadaab.
It's been challenging to mobilize some of the different communities. We're really learning about how to enter into the community, take people by the hand and say, come.
Just now, baby, let's go.